Hello, in this video we'll find out the roots of the function using the SciPy's root function. To get the code for this use case, go to candy.openweaver.com. In this case, we'll search for finding the root of the function using SciPy's root function. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the first result as it matches our query. This use case requires NumPy library to function, so before proceeding, make sure that you have this library. If not, get it from Candy. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code now. Copy the code in a single click from here, go to the IDE and paste the code. Now let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing the NumPy library and multivariate normal class. Then we are also importing the root and minimize functions from the same SciPy.stat module. And here we are computing the probability density function, that is PDF, and storing its value in Z. Then we are defining the root and the minimize function. And here we are using the root function to perform numerical root finding. Let's run the code. And you have found the root of the function using the SciPy's root function.